How to reset your iPhone or erase iPhone without Apple ID. If you have forgotten your Apple ID password and want to reset or erase your iPhone without using a computer, the process can be tricky. But it is still possible with a few options. This video is a short guide that you can follow to reset your iPhone and regain access. For that, simply launch your settings on your device. From here, choose General. Now scroll down to the last there you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and select Erase All Content and Settings. Then hit on the Continue and select Erase iPhone. And then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily reset or erase iPhone without Apple ID. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.